In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT in CRM HubSpot 2025 Asia 2025. Step by step. Good news, you don't need any extra plugins or API keys to bring ChatGPT style assistance into HubSpot. HubSpot CRM includes built-in AI features powered by OpenAI, so you can generate copy and speed up your workflow right where you already work. Start by going to the HubSpot website and signing into your account. Once you're in, head to Marketing and Open Email, or navigate to your contacts. In both places, you'll see AI options like Generate with AI or Write Email. These tools are designed to help you draft content in context using the details that already live in your CRM. When you open the AI assistant, type a clear prompt. For example, write a follow-up email for a new lead. To get better results, give it a bit more direction, such as your goal, the tone, and the next action you want the reader to take. Something like, write a friendly, concise follow-up email for a new lead who downloaded our guide. Emphasize a 15-minute discovery call and include a clear call to action. The more specific the prompt, the more on target the draft will be. After the AI generates a draft, take a moment to refine it. Adjust the tone to match your brand voice, add or remove details, and make sure the message is accurate and compliant with your internal policies. Personalize it with HubSpot tokens like the contact's first name or company, and double-check the subject line for clarity and relevance. If the first result isn't perfect, ask the AI to shorten, lengthen, or adjust the tone. Iterating with quick follow-up prompts often gets you exactly what you need in seconds. This same assistant can also help you beyond email. In the blog editor, you can use AI to brainstorm topics, draft intros, or turn outlines into posts, which is great when you need a first pass that you can polish. In CRM records, use AI to tidy up notes by summarizing calls or meetings into concise action items, so your team has a clear snapshot without manual rewriting. Before sending any AI-generated email, preview it, confirm personalization, looks correct, and schedule or send when ready. Treat the AI as a smart starting point. It accelerates your process while you add the judgment and brand nuance. That's it. By using HubSpot's native AI in marketing, email, and contacts, you're effectively integrating ChatGPT capabilities into your CRM without extra setup, and you'll save time on email writing, blog content, and CRM notes starting today.